This remodeled home features 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms and is in a great westside location with easy access to downtown Pensacola and the amazing beaches at Perdido Key. The house underwent a complete remodel in 2021. The exterior has great curb appeal with low-maintenance brick siding, and the renovations included new windows and a new roof. It is situated on an ample-sized lot with mature trees. The inside is what really wows you with its modern design. The interior renovation included plank flooring, neutral paint, an updated kitchen with painted cabinetry, granite counters, and new appliances. Both bathrooms were completely renovated as well. Other updates completed during that renovation were all new lighting and plumbing fixtures, a new water heater, and all new wiring throughout the house. The seller has since added solar panels, a paver patio, a shed, and a small garden. The solar panel balance is around $24,000 and will be paid off at